Level 1. The sign-up confidence. You walk into the gym like the main character. You feel unstoppable. New shoes, new gym clothes, new water bottle. You haven't worked out yet, but somehow you already feel stronger. You sign the membership contract with confidence. The receptionist says, "Welcome to the gym." Your brain hears, "Welcome to your new life." You leave thinking, "This is the start of the new me." You come back tomorrow, and reality loads. Level 2. First workout shock. You walk into the gym and suddenly forget how to move your body. Every machine looks like it was built by NASA. You sit on a machine backwards. You adjust things that shouldn't be adjusted. You press buttons that do nothing. Someone nearby lifts weights that look like a car engine. You pick up dumbbells labeled 5 kilograms and immediately question your life choices. You finish your first workout after 20 minutes. But in your mind, that was a full movie. You go home proud. Then you wake up the next morning and your body sends you a message. Congratulations, you are now 90 years old. Level 3. The legendary soreness. You try to get out of bed. Your legs say, "No." Your arms say, "We quit." You try to sit on a chair. Slowly, like a documentary. Stairs become your greatest enemy. You discover muscles you never knew existed. Laughing hurts. Sneezing hurts. Breathing feels suspicious. You say the classic line, "I think I injured myself." You didn't. You just met DOMs. You consider quitting. But your gym membership has auto-renew, so you return. Level 4. Gym anxiety. Era. You believe everyone is watching you. You think everyone is judging you. In reality, nobody even noticed you walked in. Everyone is too busy fighting their own demons. You accidentally make eye contact with a regular. Instant panic. You pretend to check your phone for 7 minutes. You do random exercises, hoping they look correct. You don't know what you're doing, but you're showing up. And that's when the magic starts. Level 5. The consistency arc. Something strange happens. You start going regularly, not perfectly, not every day, but consistently. The gym stops feeling scary. You learn your first real exercises. You stop guessing. You start understanding. And one day, you notice something small. You feel slightly stronger. And suddenly, you're hooked. Level 6. Nutrition awakening. You discover protein. Suddenly, every meal becomes math. How much protein is in this? You read food labels like exam papers. Chicken becomes your best friend. You learn words like calories, macros, bulking, cutting. You start drinking protein shakes. Your fridge slowly transforms into a fitness documentary. Level 7. First visible progress. One day, you see it. The mirror looks different. Your clothes fit differently. Someone says, "Have you been working out?" This sentence gives you plus 500 motivation points. You replay it in your head for 3 weeks. This is the moment many people quit before reaching. But you didn't. Level 8. Gym becomes therapy. Bad day? Gym. Good day? Gym. Stressed? Gym. Bored? Gym. The gym is no longer punishment, it becomes therapy. You feel better after every session. Your mindset changes. Your confidence grows. You realize something powerful. You didn't just change your body, you changed your discipline. Fitness. Lifestyle shift. You start sleeping earlier, eating better, thinking clearer. Your habits upgrade, your energy upgrades, your life upgrades. People think it's about muscles, but it was never just about muscles. It was about becoming a better version of you. Level 10. The realization. You look back at day 1, the confusion, the soreness, the anxiety, and you realize the hardest part was never the workouts. It was starting. And if you're watching this right now, this might be your level 1. See you at the gym.